STIE Nusantara officially reopened the International Seminar on Accounting and Management.
Today we are happy that we can gather in the International Conference on Accounting and Management Science or Icams.
Finally, of course, this because finance is important. So altogether, finally
from Japan, one's from India, and also from Indonesia.
And it is easier for Indonesian because not so many Indonesians apply for this kind of scholarship, even if the number of scholarships,
of course, because sometimes if IT persons understand about technology, but they don't know, they cannot align with the business.
And you will not find any air conditioner in a university because we have the tunnels inside the university to give and provide the cool air across the campus.
就是每个国家的问题是关于自然的，他的意思是中国人们给我们建议是先准备好保护自然的。